Alright, I'm over here at the World Market in Ann Arbor. And there's a U of M football game on, so it's complete chaos. Never come here during the football game. Anyway, let's see here. They got all kinds of cool stuff in here. I love their assortment of like weird drinks and weird food, especially now for the holidays. They got all kinds of small, really small packages of weird stuff like sunflower kernels and little things. Great for gift baskets. Nido gummy bear. Oh, that's weird. Oh, look at this. A teeny tiny Zoltar machine. Wow, that's so tiny. Excuse me. They got all kinds of stuff from like Japan. These are always pretty amusing to me. Look at that. How fun. All kinds of tiny stuff. If you like chocolate, this is the place to go. They got really good German and Swiss chocolate here. This is not the place to go if you're on a diet. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is a thing. I want to say, where is this made? Okay, so this is Korean. They sell popcorn, like cinema brand popcorn, but they have strawberry flavor. I've seen this at an Asian store once. Really interesting. Okay, it tells you, well, that's Korean, that's not Thai. Okay, anyway. They have all kinds of interesting flavors of stuff. Chinese Lays. Interesting. Very interesting. The British stuff is probably really where it's at over here.
Hey dude, I haven't been here since the last time we was over here.
I'm making a video real quick.
These are all
Just-
over the place.
I know, but they're not like everywhere.
Okay.
They have the Korean popcorn. Man, they got lots of ramen noodle in here. They must have like 80 different kinds of ramen noodle. That's pretty awesome. Oh, good for seasonings too. Interesting seasonings available. That stuff's good. Very spicy. See, some of the stuff in here is kind of everyday stuff, but there are some oddball items. All Italian stuff. That looks kind of delicious. Oh yeah, and a great selection of coffee. Really, really good coffees here. They're very expensive, but they are also very good. I highly recommend this stuff. It's not too crazy expensive, but it's very good. And that stuff's crap. Don't drink that. Oh, they still have the Bob Ross Positive Energy Drink. That's awesome. Also, a really good beverages cheer wine. One of my faves. Holy cola. Weird. They used to have a pretty big German food section. I don't see it. Maybe they don't have as many. They used to have like hot dogs in jars that were from Germany, which were actually kind of good. But I think they've scaled back on that. I don't see the huge German section like I used to. And I think they've scaled this back in the last couple of years. I think they used to have more. I haven't been in the store in like, I don't know, probably 3-4 years. But I do highly recommend it. They got the Vegemite. You know, I'd like to get some of this stuff, but man, it's so expensive. Yeah, they've scaled this down. Dang, that's a bummer. They used to have more really weird British food, which I rather enjoyed because they had funny names. Anyway, if you have not been to a world market, it's definitely worth taking a look at. It's kind of fun.